water.
Alright, let me find this train.
Alright.
Train, you see this, like, that thing on the map?
I don't see the map.
I just pinged it on the map. It looks like a snake caterpillar thing moving along the map. That's the train.
You see the map right now?
Yeah, just click the big button on your controller.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Oh yeah, I see the train.
Yeah, so we'll drop onto the train. Just kind of far away.
Yeah. So tell me when you guys are dropping and I'll follow.
Oh goddamn! I think my dog farted. I'm dropping. Did Luna fart him? Yeah. Was that you? Oh god. Can you guys hear her laughing?
Yeah.
Well, based on how much she's laughing.
She pulled a Kyle.
She pulled a Kyle, yes. Oh my god.
She's cracking up.
Oh god.
Oh, we got competition at the train.
Who's going there? A lot of people?
Moving here.
It's one guy, we got him. Who's out of the tracks?
It's coming around the bridge, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I see some people headed that way too.
Everyone's going there, huh? Did you guys oh shit, Kyle's almost there. Alright, I'm going faster.
I'm right behind them.
I'm right behind him too.
Oh, I see you all. Alright.
Someone already grabbed the most wanted target already, wow. Alright, I'm on this train. Gotta loot quick.
Alright, I made it. Well, how do we go from cart to cart?
Just jump over.
Gotta get back on top. I can't get up. Can't get it up, boys.
Let me know if you see anyone who's jumped on this train already.
Can I jump off and run back on or no?
If you can catch it. Hey, there's a UAV. I'm gonna call it UAV. I just got it. There's an enemy at the end of our train. Oh no, he looks like he's on the tracks.
Alright, I'm on top.
Oh, there's another. There's an airstrike right here. Damn. All right. Adam is just like opening these crates and like completely skipping over all the kill streaks.
I didn't get any of those.
Anything good over here?
Alright. Nope. Ooh, I found a circle. What is this thing?
Yeah, it's a sniper.
Alright, that'll be good.
Oh,
Oh shoot! Enemy right here. You guys see him?
Oh, God.
Nice.
I downed him.
I killed him. So we can just chill on this train and go around and shoot people.
Oh, there's someone running on right now.
Where? Front or back?
Right behind you.
I got him.
Nice. You wiped the whole team.
The map.
It's good to stay on top so you can see, because like, I mean, we just looted the fuck out of this. There's nothing left.
Kyle, put plates on. You have only one left.
Choo choo.
Choo choo, motherfucker.
You guys ever watch the show Community or Arrested Development?
I saw Arrested Development.
Community.
Oh, I had something to say about that show. Something happened. Well, I remember. I don't know. I remember. I should have whole shit of thought.
Be advised, Intel has located multiple strongholds.
I saw Ryan Reynolds yesterday.
In real life?
You good?
Yeah, he was at the game.
No way. You say hi?
Wait,
where's?
Like a couple rows in front of me.
Oh, Mike, you're still here? Wait, have you been in my train car the whole time?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been in every train car.
I wish I had a better gun. I only have the Vel, but I can't go very far. That's a nice car right there.
Anyone got a sniper right now shooting that red light?
I have a sniper.
I got a sniper.
Oh.
What do you see?
I see that red light hitting my back. What, you guys hitting me?
Oh, that's Kyle's laser.
How do I steal this train?
How do I steal this train? Adam's just going driver, full driver mode.
I'm gonna break these windows.
Let's take him off.
Oh, wait, I fell
Look
off.
at these views.
You fell off?
I'm on the ground.
Oh, there he
I'm on the
is.
ground.
I can't get... Kyle, did you jump off too?
Yeah.
Oh my god, do I jump off with you guys?
No, Sam, we got it. We'll catch up.
Come back.
I don't even catch up. Fuck. Alright,
We need a...
I'm gonna stay.
Wait.
Get a car.
There's a truck. There's a truck, Kyle.
there's a truck. Here, you drive.
No, you drive.
Oh, there's a mortar strike right here when you guys come back. And a grenade launcher. I'm just watching you guys try this truck. Hurry up. Can you go any faster?
No.
I can't get this train to stop.
Kyle, hit the horn. Blow the horn.
I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm just watching you guys. Someone get on the roof and jump on.
Oh, there's someone coming for the train, Carl.
Oh, wait.
He's on the train.
Oh, yeah, I see him, thanks.
I'm hopping out.
Wait, are you guys... Oh, shoot, I almost fell off. What's... Oh, wait, the train stopped. There's a mortar strike back here if you want it.
Alright, this is my time to get this train.
Where did that guy go?
He, like, went back into the buildings. This picture, it's just Kyle driving. Looks like a cool date.
Oh,
You
shit,
see someone?
I'm down. I'm down.
Oh shoot, where are they? I see him.
I'm down.
Can y'all revive him? Where's he at? Where are you at, Paul?
I'm
I fell off.
in the car. I'm coming up.
Why
You
you
fell
fall off?
again.
I didn't mean to.
I'm coming off, Adam.
Fuck!
Just stay on the train, Kyle. We'll come back. Oh shit. Adam, once you get up, we gotta run. There's a bunch of enemies over there. Run.
We gotta go.
There's a truck over
Yeah, I
here.
didn't move.
Follow me this way.
I didn't even move. I just kind of.
Where's... Oh
broke
shit,
my
where's the
legs.
truck? You just broke your legs.
Oh,
Boys,
the
where are
van.
you going?
We have to get a truck.
We're getting the van.
Where is that
Oh
truck?
my god.
We'll
Right,
be
the van, isn't it?
back. Adam, are you behind me?
Oh yeah.
Where's the damn truck? Oh shit, it's over here.
I'm stuck on this wall. Oh, I got it.
Oh my god. I'm in a truck with no roof. I'm looking like someone's gonna snipe me right now.
We're
Oh.
going so far.
We're coming. Adam's taking forever, and he gets in the back seat.
I'm in.
This is your Uber. We're coming out. We're coming, Kyle. Oh my god, he's so far away. Oh, rocks. Forgot. Uh-oh. Driving is not easy. I don't know how Adam does this.
We should
game.
get like a fourth. We should get a fourth player and have him take our picture, our squad picture, of 3 of us just posing with our guns. I'm making my wallpaper.
God damn it.
We're all posing.
Oh, Kyle, the train is going out into the gas right now. You gotta jump.
Yeah, no, I jumped off.
Okay, we're right here in the truck next to you.
Oh, we're coming.
I feel like we've been hit.
What's up, gang?
So, where do you guys want to go? Next zone?
I'm
We're
broken.
going off-roading.
Kyle, point your gun at me.
We killed more enemies on the train than we played any Warzone.
I know.
Somehow I've been revived twice.
No good I see you, bro.
Oh god, I'm gonna hit him. I just ran him over. You guys got him?
No, I got pistol.
Oh, I just hit him with the car. I don't like this village. I feel like we're stuck in here. Let's get out of here. Oh god.
Is that how they say?
We just gotta keep driving.
Oh, Adam, put some plates on. You have half a plate left.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of these cities, bro.
I'm gonna jump off this cliff.
Out of the car?
No. Oh, back at the mall. We're at the mall. Oh, we're getting shot at though. I don't see the helicopter's over there. Do you guys want the helicopter?
Yeah.
Where is it at? Yep.
Other side of the mall. I'm going around. What's wrong?
Well, someone should take the car, right?
Should we head back on the train?
Wait, is it back in the zone?
Your team is in the safe zone.
I don't know.
No, it's still out of the zone. Wait, Kyle, are you out?
I'm in front of the car, bro.
How are you there? Adam, get up. I'll push both of you. Adam. Did you see Kyle up there, Adam?
In the front? Yeah.
Oh shit!
Him over.
Okay, we getting the helicopter? I gotta get out. We're almost out of gas. Helicopter is over here.
LMG marked.
Oh, there's a better gun. Oh, they don't have enough bullets.
For me too.
Oh wait, you want
I
that
have a
one?
mutton box. I have a mutton box. We just gotta get somewhere with this helicopter.
Oh, take that gun then, Adam.
Oh. Let me switch my pistol. I got a couple good ones.
Alright, we need our driver.
Oh, I got. What kind of gun is this? This is a big one.
Oh, Adam, you got a big
yeah,
backpack
yeah.
too. See ya.
Alright,
I have an air. Oh shoot, there's a sniper over here. There's a whole team right here.
Yeah.
What should I do?
I just pinged it, but it's okay. We can go.
Look at the helicopter right in front of us.
Where? Oh shoot.
Right here.
Oh, I can't hit him.
Oh, we were so close.
Where should we go right now? Don't go. Wait, turn around, Adam, because you're going towards the smoke. The gas, I mean.
Yeah, we don't want the smoke. But the tower's out of the question.
Is that where's that boat over there?
That boat
Where,
is.
to the right?
It's not in.
Shipment?
It's not in the zone anymore.
Okay, I see the light, the line.
You guys want to chase after this guy, the most wanted?
Yeah,
Okay.
do it.
No, hold on. I'm trying to pin him.
Got a truck here.
What's the
He's in
lowest?
that truck right there. See that one?
Oh yeah, let's get him.
I only have one more sniper bullet, and I'm out. Wait, Adam, do you have rockets on this helicopter?
Yes, I do.
Shoot him.
I forgot how. Oh.
That's flares.
This truck right here?
The one that's driving. See the crown on the map? That's the most wanted person.
He's the op. He's king op.
Yeah, he's the king right now.
He hopped
He's
out.
running.
He hopped
He's
out.
running.
He's right there. That's
We'll
messy.
be shot at, I think.
Oh, we got him!
Most wanted
How much money did you
Let's
get?
go.
Get your ass. None.
Oh,
We're
no.
getting shot.
Okay, we gotta go. Just get us out of here.
Let's go
Nice.
somewhere high.
The observatory up here is high.
Some
Here, I
good
just
look.
pinged
You like where to go?
I pinged a shopping cart. Go up to that shopping cart up there.
Oh, alright. Perfect. We need to get a new engine and a new carburetor.
Damn, I'm out of plates.
Yep. We got loot up here at the observatory.
Alright. Oh, we're Griffith Observatory.
That's up high, I figure.
I think there's fighting over here. I can't tell.
There.
Yeah, there's bodies. There's bodies.
Oh, wait. Don't slow down, Adam. If there's people here, I don't want to drop. I see them.
Oh, there's people, yeah. They're getting shot at. Oh, there's a lot of people. Let's go this way.
Let them kill themselves.
on the way. Gas is moving.
Caught a mortar strike.
New safe zone
Oh,
located.
sick. You did?
Yep.
Nice. I forgot. I have a thing. Okay, so we're in the current zone. You want to go to the center of the zone? We can get up to. I don't know. If we drop here, this will not be in the zone after a minute.
We should find a car.
We gotta
to
go
go on
somewhere.
gas.
Oh, we're getting low on
There's a car
gas?
behind us. Yeah,
Okay.
there's a car behind us though.
Yeah, let's land here then we can loot and then get the car.
All stations. Jailbreak is active.
Oh, jailbreak. Everyone's coming back. Well, whoever's still in the jail. Oh, I just jumped at him. Is that
Hey,
him?
here,
It's
get some
about to
ammo.
fall.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's about to fall. My baby's about to fall.
Adam, there's
shit,
ammo
fell on
right
the
here.
truck. It fell on the truck. Oh my god.
It fell on the truck that we need.
It's on fire. It's about to blow up.
Great, thanks. So we landed here to get this truck, but then the helicopter fell on the truck.
Why did you feel like this happened to me?
Number 1 pilot.
Closing round.
This place has been looted already. Not gonna find shit.
Yeah. We need plates, right?
Yeah.
Your team has entered the safe zone.
Well, we have a lot of money. We could buy stuff, but...
So he's getting this truck and go?
Yeah, I'm trying to... One more... Let me check this. First aid. Alright.
How do we not get that many plates already?
They already looted them, I guess. Well, let me check. Where is Adam going? Let me check in here for plates really quick.
Practicing my 3-point turns. Alright.
Oh, I got plates. I'll drop them for you guys.
I just moved the car to the parking lot. Alright, so it looks like the car took some significant damage from that helicopter.
Oh, I got
It's
gas.
so insane.
If we go to a gas station, that will repair. Alright, 3-plate vest right here, Adam.
Marked.
You need that.
Alrighty.
Kyle, do you need
Oh,
plates?
you get-
I'm still looking for
Here.
some. You find some?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop some for you. Oh, I can only drop one. I only have one for you. Right there.
I want this generator.
It's right here, Kyle.
Found some
By
armor
me.
here.
Okay.
Alright, I feel
Thanks,
like we're
bro.
being watched.
Probably. Let me check the zone really quick. Okay, we're still in the zone, so we're good. Was that you who opened the door?
I shot.
Okay, that's you. Okay.
Don't.
Okay.
I have.
Hold on. Someone take these. In this medicine case, there's a stim kit. You can
Didn't check.
You can.
I have a self-revive kit.
Okay, me too.
Alright, should we go?
Yeah. Are we getting the truck again?
Yeah, wherever it's at.
It's in the parking lot. I put it in the parking space.
Do we want to
No,
go to this
no,
buy
I'll
station
go
over here, 200 meters away, or no?
I feel like it's risky. I feel like we got enough.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
There's a helicopter right here. Oh, it's gone now. There.
Where's the car at?
Over here.
Oh, there's still a lot of stuff around here.
Are you driving?
Nope.
Let me switch seats. There we go. I
You guys
want
in
to
the
check
car?
this new zone. Yeah.
You've got gas
Ooh,
inbound.
okay. The
Safe
new zone is so
relocated.
small. Let's try to get to... The mall is in the zone. Let's go to this gas station first, though, and then we'll see where the new zone will be from there. Do you see
Is that in
the gas station?
Oh, am I driving? Am I driving?
Yes. Do you see the gas station I pinged over there?
Yeah. Go there.
Yeah,
Hold
because
on,
that will
boy.
give us more gas
Okay.
and it will fix the car.
Oh, shit.
And that's in the new zone. Are we driving off a cliff now?
Oh shit.
Okay, I'm getting... It says refueling and repairing. I'm gonna get out. Let me try to loot this place really quick. See what we got.
Alright, that was a fun ride.
Gas is closing.
Yeah.
How about that ride in?
Alright, so let's see. This is the new zone. Where do you guys want to go from here? Want to go to the mall?
That's
Yeah.
fine.
Alright, let's hop in. I'll ping the mall.
Your team is in the safe zone.
The mall is at this truck I just pinged.
Someone drive, not me.
Oh, whoops. Alright, I'll drive. He's taking a sweet time to get in the car.
Thank you for
Alright,
the
you
fill
ping
up.
it?
Yeah, we're in.
There's
shit,
funny
right
across the
across-
Oh,
way.
there's a
Right
there's a
across
shit ton of
the-
people across the way.
Yeah, across Colorado. Here.
Yeah, Colorado
Are we
River,
going
awesome.
Are we going toward them?
Oh
or
shoot, there's a
what?
sniper over here.
Oh,
sniping
yeah.
I'm
us.
getting hit.
Want to go towards him? Let's go fuck him up. Looks like he's by himself.
Let's go fuck up his whole family. See what is there. Oh, there he is, on the edge.
I see him.
Two of them.
Damn it.
Are you down?
Kyle, you alright?
Yeah, bro. What the fuck? Where are we at?
Oh shit. Hold on.
Ah, got him.
You got him? Oh shit, behind. Fuck.
I'm out of ammo.
Fuck, he's behind.
Yeah.
I'm in the gulag, Kyle. Are you? Yep, me and Kyle in the gulag. Don't worry, we'll get this win.
How did they kill us, bro?
So fast, too.
The second guy came out of nowhere. We killed one, but then someone else came out from behind us.
Oh, shit.
Really. We were ambushed.
Damn. They're all in the back.
Are you guys
Nice.
each other?
To your left.
To my left?
Yep, he's on the, yep, up the stairs.
Oh, fuck! God damn.
Back to base with you.
God damn it.
Ah, Adam, how much money do you have? Can you buy us back?
No, I'm
He's in
not.
the gulag.
Oh, he's back. Adam's back.
Yeah. I won.
Nice. Let me see if there's a buy station. Oh, there's no more buy stations in the zone. Damn, Adam, it's up to you.
Wait, you guys aren't here?
Wait, don't go that way. You're going towards. That's the gas.
I need a boat.
Dude, I was...
No, just hide in this building over here. This will be the final. I
Yeah.
think this is gonna be the final zone. There's people shooting near you. Pick up a gun real quick.
Dude, I always die when I have, like, the best shit.
Oh shit.
Just fucking...
I killed him.
God.
I saw